one example of how I modify or one point I make with regard to CBT in particularly the cognitive restructuring, is what I call premature cognitive restructuring. I think that's a danger zone, something to watch out for as therapists, because there's such an emphasis on the cognitive with CBT. It can be easy to, if you don't understand the person's larger environment and the systems they live in, to jump right into trying to change their thinking about it. So to give you a concrete example, if I'm white and a Black client comes to me and tells me that there's some sort of he's experiencing racist comments from a particular colleague. If I say to that client, oh, well, are you sure that was racist? Are you sure they didn't mean it a different way? Kind of pushing on their belief that it's racist. Oh my gosh, that would be so naive, perceived as naive and really off the mark, and probably just completely lose the client because I don't get it. So one thing that therapists need to be doing is really paying attention to and validating the experiences of members of marginalized groups who are talking about these kind of oppressive experiences.